Una good day o my pipu. Today na one small trick wey I carry come give una today for inside Microsoft Excel. Dis tips e dey useful for pipu wey be accountant or pipu wey dey work with data, with the kind of data wey una dey see for inside the Excel so. So for instance, if you look at dis cell wey I dey so, inside cell E57, you go see sey e dey show 1.183 million. But dat figure, if you click inside am, you go see sey e get where dey link am from, where go fetch dat amount come here. So if to say you wan edit dat formula where dey fetch am from, you go just double click and edit am. But if to say you wan actually trace where the thing for come, instead make you dey look for am all over the sheet, e get one small things wey I wan show you, how you go just dey trace any formula wey you see. By the time you just double click am, e go just carry you go straight to where dey pick am from. So to do dat, make we press on dis file. If you press on file, you go come press on dis option. So if you press on option, you go go dis you go go for under advanced option. If you check under advanced option, you go see sey dis allow editing editing directly in cells. Na wetin e do now, e already don tick am, so na the way the thing dey now be dat. So if you go just uncheck am and you click OK. So if you go back now, if you click on dis cell now, e go just carry you go back to where dat formula, dat particular amount where dey pick am from. You see where dey pick am from here now, dis is where dey pick it from. So you see how the thing be. As soon as you click on am, e go just carry you go there. So for accountants wey dey work with some of dis kind of data wey be sey you go get plenty cells, plenty worksheet inside one workbook, and dey don already link am. If you wan inspect or you wan check the correctness of the work wey you dey do, or you wan know where dey pick which figure from, you go just dey double click am, e go dey carry you go where the thing for come. So na wetin I say make I click on tell una be dat o. To go meet in another video. Thank you.